Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you how to replace the wiper blade refills. I'm doing this on a 2018 Corolla IM, but this should be similar for most Toyotas. All you will need for this are your new rubber inserts, which could be of different lengths for each side, but before you buy the replacements, make sure you still have the factory wipers. And if you don't, you will just need to buy new blades, which should be easier to install anyways, but a little bit more expensive. I will leave links below to help you find the correct parts. Or if you need help, leave a comment below. And lastly, you will need your keys or a flathead for prying. Now let's get started. Take your pry tool and lift up on this tab. Then you can slide the wiper down to fill the open void, then pull it away from the wiper arm. Now if you have a completely new wiper blade, you can go ahead and skip to the reinstallation, which is the opposite of this. But if you have the new rubber, continue watching. And don't forget to gently put down the wiper arm so you don't accidentally crack your windshield. Next, let's take a look at your wiper. On the other side of the rubber, the groove with the shiny metal piece nearly goes to the end, but the other side doesn't. This side has a raised section of rubber that comes into contact with the plastic guide on the blade, which only lets the rubber come out one way. Once you find that side, go ahead and pull the rubber out of the blade on that side. Now place the plastic blade in front of you in the same orientation so you don't reinstall it in the wrong direction. Go ahead and do the same and place your new rubber insert in the same orientation as the rubber you just removed to make the transfer of the metal pieces easier. You can easily identify the orientation with the raised rubber end. Now you will just need to take the metal piece out of one and put it into the other's outer groove. Once you accomplish this, do the same with the other side. When done, let's go ahead and slide the rubber back into the blade. The middle empty groove should line up with the plastic guides on the blade. Once lined up, keep pushing it through until you can't anymore. Next, just finish off the install by putting the blade back into the arm, pulling it up, and closing the tab. Hope this helped you, and thanks for watching.